Hey everyone, welcome back. And today we'll be doing another Leetcode problem 21. This is an easy one. Merge to sorted lists. Given the heads of two sorted linked lists, list 1 and list 2, merge two linked lists in one sorted list. The list should be made by slicing together the nodes of the first two linked lists. So we cannot make another linked list. We just have to slice their addresses and do something like that to just make a new linked list and return the head of the merged linked list. So this is it. We are given two linked lists 1 and 2 here, and what we'll be doing is just comparing their nodes. So if we have a current node, we will be having a current node which will be starting from, you can say, a dummy node, you can say, from 0 basically, and in its next, you can say, will be passing the value which is going to be the lesser than the other node. So if this one is lesser than this one, then obviously we are going to pass it. The values are same, so it doesn't matter. We will be passing this one and updating whenever we pass a node to current from a certain linked list. What we'll be doing is just updating that linked list pointer. So let me just write it down. 1, 2 and 4, and it will be 3 and 4. Okay, so L1, you can say 1 will be the pointer. What can I say, like Q will be the pointer for the first linked list and W will be the pointer for the second linked list, and current is itself is the own pointer. So now what we can do is just update the pointer from the second linked list, because this one is coming from the second linked list, and what we'll be doing is just comparing these two, and the value which is going to be shorter is going to be you can say going in our current. So also we have to update our current to the next node. So current now has 1 in it, and it was previously on a dummy node. Like I said, if you remember, in the starting I said it will be a dummy node. So let me just make a gap. So this is our current pointer, a current linked list, you can say. This is not a new linked list, just uh, the linked list node pointer. So current was at D. A dummy nodes will be making it to 0.21, and now we'll be adding 1 to our current. For this current will be pointing to this one, and also we will be just updating our Q pointer, because we just added 1 from the linked list 1, and now we will be comparing these two, Q with W. The Q is smaller, so that current, like I said, it will be updated. The Q is smaller, so the current will be at 1, and now it will be pointing to 2. So 2 will be in our, you can say, a merged linked list, and current will be updated. Now we remove 2, we pass 2. So what we'll be doing is just updating our pointer from the linked list 1, and comparing 4 with 3. 3 is smaller, so it will be this current will be pointing to this linked list 2 uh, node W, pointer W, and it will be updated. Pointer itself will be updated. Now the pointer on the linked list 2 will be updated, because we just passed 3. Now we are at 4 4. So what will be happening here is, if we have same values, it doesn't matter what we pass in. So the 4 from the second linked list will be passed in here, and current will be updated. And now we will be updating this, and this linked list node will also be added, because it doesn't have anything to compare it. Or we can have an edge case where a linked list, you can say, if there is a linked list of length 2 and there is a linked list of length like this, what we'll be doing is just, like you can see, this Q pointer but will be added to our current pointer. So this will just make out for all of these edge cases. So this will be added to our linked list, and it will be like 4, and the current will be updated. If we have a case like this, and we have a edge case like this, in which we have a 3 more lengths, 3 more digits than the smallest one, so the current what we'll be doing, the current pointer will point to the linked list node which will have the least length. So that's it. Okay, so making a dummy node which will be a list node, and a current which will be pointing to dummy. So while list 1, it will be list 1 and list 2 pointers both are not null. What we'll be doing is just comparing. So list 1 at data, if it is less than list 2 data, then we are going to just current dot next. In the current dot next, like I said, we will be passing list 1, that node, and update the list 1 node. So whichever is passed to current is going to be updated. uh, Next, okay. In the else case, it will be the same, but for linked list 2. So current dot next is equal to list 2, and list 2 pointer is going to be updated. Whichever is passed, it will be updated. The pointer of that linked list is going to be updated. So now we are just basically done, but we have to also update our current pointer. So current is equal to current dot next, and after that we can just return dummy dot next, which will be the head. You can say it will be pointing to the head of the new linked list, because the dummy point the current will be the dummy, and dummy dot next will be the new linked list, the merge sorted linked list. But before that, we also have a case. If list 1 is still not null, what we can do is just add it to current dot next, so list 1, and in the else case, current dot next is going to be adding list 2, and that's it. This should work. There is no attribute data, it is going to be val, so just adding val, and that's it. This works, and let's submit it.